guys, welcome to Run Deals. So here I have a bathroom scale by Homebuds. And you can see down here the model number. Step on and auto off function, easy to read LED screen. It can go up to 400-pound load capacity. So let's check this out. There is a seal on here. So I'll get my little handy dandy cutter here and we will cut the seal. Maybe. There we go. All right, let's check this out. I'm super excited about this. I actually have a scale in my bathroom, but I wanted to replace it. So I'm pretty excited about this. Nice packaging so it doesn't get damaged. Here is the user manual, of course. All right, let's check this baby out. All right, so this looks really, wow, look at this. It looks so nice and clean. Okay, so we're gonna pull before use so that the batteries will work. And, oh, look, it turned on automatically. Very cool. So I'm gonna show you in better lighting actually how to change the kilograms and pounds. So if you flip this over, there's this little button right here and you just push it and you can see kilograms and pounds. So you'll just hit the button. Okay, so you do have to use this on a hard surface. Oh, my dog's checking it out. Okay, so you're just gonna step on it a little bit and touch it. I think it's actually in this corner to turn it on. There it goes. So you can see right here, it's in pounds. There's a button in the back. If you hit this little button right here, it'll actually change it and you can go to kilograms. So if you want kilograms or pounds, you can change it. It does say calculating, just stand on it and it will flash when it's done. So just a few last things about the scale. It will calibrate automatically. Make sure you're using it again on a hard surface. I really like this scale. I would definitely recommend it. Make sure you check us out on Run Deals and also download our app and you can find some great deals and discounts.